What's going on, guys? It's HVA, and welcome to HVAutomotive.
Hello guys, my name is Carlos. You guys can call me whatever you want.
Hey guys, it's HVA. Guess what? I'm in the back.
We fixed more than ED. Yeah, you should call me.
Let's put those right here.
503-888-2221.
19. Fuck you! I don't have a YouTube channel, but if it did, it would be Carlos. Carlos drives other people's cars.
No, He's done this.
Yeah. Oh shit, Carlos! Oh, shit, dude. What the fuck, dude? Nah.
What do you mean, nah?
Nah, that shit's way too fast. That dog away from me, I swear to God. Get the fucking dog.
Sleet isn't how whether you like it.
Driving a Camaro SS. Fastest thing I ever drove in my life. That's it. My house is that way. Oh, wait. Oh. Alright. It's fucking trash people throw because they can just throw their fucking trash. Yeah. So at school, people be getting food and they just fucking throw it in back to trucks and bags. And
You have anything to tell them?
fuck you guys, bitches.
You're from my car?
What's up, guys? Welcome to HVAutomotive. I'm SS, also known as Sexy Search, and this is SVA. SVA. Shut up.
Feeling sexy today?
Always feeling sexy.
Cringy.
A Chevrolet Camaro SS 400 horse from the factory. Well, we would think the ZL1 would have this one well in hand, but you never know what the aftermarket can do. But this time around, it looks like everything's going as planned, and the ZL1's taking about 8 car lengths out the back.
How?
Look who got his car detailed. What's up? Where's your glasses? Today. Sergio. Sergio.
Woo! Let's fucking go, boys!
What's up, guys?
Wally Hitler.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel.
So it's gonna be hard with me because I'm Mexican. And the Mexican accent can be hard.
Just step back. Step back. How about my little Lightning McQueen right here? Little Lightning.
Wally! Wally! Wally!
No, really?
Hi, Wally.
Imagine this car without the hood and the bumper. That's my car outside. I'm not going to show you guys my car. I'm not going to tell you guys the story behind my car. I crashed it. I never told you guys, but I got in a car accident.
What the fuck? I'm already lost.
And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. I hope this channel is for you and you find this channel interesting. And if you do find this channel interesting, please share it. Please help us get more subscribers. Yeah, this is not going to be only me. It's going to feature other of my friends. And I just have dreams. I have so many dreams. This is one of my dreams. So please help us. Please help me.